everybody, another day, another dollar. Today is Thursday, October 8th, and these are the top 5 things to know. Kicking it off at number 1, stocks are set for another higher open as Wall Street tries to extend Wednesday's strong rally. The Dow futures were last pointing to a gain of about 100 points. Futures on the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ were also indicating a positive Thursday start for the two indices. The pre-market moves come one day after Wall Street scored its best session since July, with each of the 3 major averages rallying nearly 2%. On to number 2. Renewed hopes for more U.S. stimulus continues to support market sentiment and boost demand for riskier assets such as equities. U.S. President Donald Trump sent out a barrage of tweets earlier this week urging Congress to pass standalone fiscal stimulus measures for targeted industries and consumers. He backpedaled on his earlier stance to unilaterally end negotiations. So that is helping out the view that stimulus would be delayed rather than derailed. Just a heads up, this week's Investing.com financial markets related cartoon will focus on the ongoing stimulus hopes currently fueling the rally on Wall Street. So stay tuned for that on Friday. On to number 3. The main event on the economic calendar today will be weekly jobless claims due out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Analysts on average expect this week's report to show that another 820,000 Americans filed for unemployment benefits last week. If confirmed, it would mark the lowest number since coronavirus lockdowns began back in mid-March. You can track the data released in real time on Investing.com's economic calendar. On to number 4 on the earnings front. There's just one major company reporting results this morning. Domino's Pizza is due ahead of the opening bell. The pizza chain has been a standout performer in the restaurant sector this year, with shares rising almost 50% as more consumers order pizza and takeout during the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. Head over to Investing.com's earnings calendar to stay up to date with the latest results. And finally, number 5 in commodities markets. Oil prices are trading higher this morning as investors monitor the path of Hurricane Delta, which is forecast to intensify into a Category 3 storm in the coming hours. It is poised to hit the Louisiana coast on Friday, home to many oil refineries in the country. So pretty much energy operators in the Gulf of Mexico have already evacuated nearly 200 offshore facilities in the region. So worries over a disruption to supplies is fueling the gain in oil prices this morning. Stay on top of that on Investing.com. That's it for me. Don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button. May the trading gods be with you. Have a good one, everybody. Stay safe and stay healthy.